going on today, guys? We've got a little bit of work ahead of us today because I went out for a ride. Well, at least I tried to, and the bike wouldn't start. So, you know, I turn the key, I go to start the motor, just clicking. Now, you know, it sounded like it could potentially be a battery issue, but that battery's pretty new. I put that in not too long ago, if you guys remember. Tested it. It's been on, you know, on and off the tender. So my guess is we're looking at a starter issue here. So we're gonna pop everything out and take a look at the starter, and I got a replacement we're gonna throw in there because it's due for a change anyway. You know, that starter is, it's a little older, not quite as powerful as the newer ones that they put out today. So I went ahead and picked myself up a brand new starter off of motorcycledepot.com. So head over there, and if you guys need any extra parts, they got you covered. Okay, so first up, took the battery out, obviously, and now we got to pull the battery box out. So I already got the screw a little loose. So pull this bolt out here. A little hard to do with one hand. Actually, it's probably just hand loose by now. So got this bolt here, and there's a Phillips down here. Well, actually, sorry, I'm incorrect about that. This Phillips down here is just for the battery cover. So we got to pull that out, and I believe there should be one more point of attachment. We might actually have to take the seat off. All right, so we're just going to pull the battery box out as soon as we get the seat up. I guess it's bolted on right underneath this little Saddlemen logo there. All right, so there we have our other two bolts for the battery box. Okay, so battery box is coming out. A little bit of finagling here, and she's loose. Not quite. Sorry guys, I decided not to get the tripod today, so gonna have to make do with one hand here. All right, and she's free. So now we've got the starter. It's only 2 points of attachment here. One bolt way back in there, and another one bolted right above transmission, right there.
Do you see it?
You can see a little better now. There's one bolt right above the starter, and the second one right above the transmission. All right. All right, so we've got to pull a couple pins out now. We've got one clipped in there. We've got another one under this boot here.
Yeah, that's the main power.
And actually, I think that's it. All right, so pop this nut off real quick. And that should be all that's holding the starter in. It's not a huge job to pull these off. Well, we should be able to just pull her straight out. There we go.
Came out, huh?
Yep.
Oh, damn.
Just like that. there you have it, ladies and gents. Got the starter out. Like I said, pretty easy job. And let's change her out. All right, so I got this starter off of Motorcycle Depot. I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys so you can pick it up yourself should you need to. Oh.
And the 1 bolt or 2 bolts?
2 bolts.
2 bolts. Okay.
All right, ladies and gents, here we have her.
Oh, nice.
Look at this baby, brand
Sweet
new.
unit. Huh? And that, just so you guys know, that is actually, it's not a reman unit. It's a brand new unit.
Brand new, baby.
Sweet. I just want to put some lube on here so it goes in, right? Nice and easy. You got the brand new O-ring, brand new starter. Did you tell them like why are we doing this?
I'm gonna go over that.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. All right.
Line her up good. It went straight in, so I'm guessing that's good. And I hope my head wasn't right in the camera. All right, so 2 bolts, one in the way back. Let's see if I can reach. All right, and the second one off to the right of that. I guess. All right.
Go get it so I could freaking put charge on it.
Actually, yeah, no, this is a small one first.
So the 2 bolts are tight, right? Yeah.
Yeah. It's a big fat one first, and then skinny one.
Nothing at all. You got both of the leads on there, yeah.
Yep. Fat one first, and then the
So
skinny
it's
one.
actually just the 2 bolts, right?
2 bolts left and right, and then 1 clip
The lead.
right here, and then the 2
That's
lead.
it, right?
Yep, it's easy
So
job.
there was one video.
Some jack-o'-lantern.
There was one video that said, "Oh, you got to take the primary." The bullshit, right? No,
Bullshit.
2 bolts. The starter's out. Starter's out on the dyno.
At least on the Super Glide, you don't have to take the primary off, so don't believe what you hear.
Yeah, exactly. All right, the clip. Yeah, put that rubber boot back over, nice. Put that clip on there. Sweet.
Should be in there. Okay.
All right.
Let me just make sure it's all tight. Oh, let's loosen that now. Nice, you got that swivel joint on it.
It helps, right?
Yeah, definitely. I don't think I'd be able to do it without it.
All right, so now we're gonna put the, what are we gonna do now, Cam? Put the battery box back in?
Box back in, baby.
Put the battery in. I'm gonna freaking let it rip at freaking 2 a.m. in the morning.
So, got her all buttoned back up. I'm gonna pop the battery box in. So, make sure you take your terminal wires. You've actually got a channel on either side for them to thread through. So, this one pops in through the right, like that. And this one right here, actually, there's a tab for this to hang onto the side of the battery box.
What is that actually, Cam?
This-
That plug.
This plug?
What do you think? We have to
don't know.
look into that.
I'm actually
I
not
was looking
entirely
at
sure
that
what this
before,
one's for,
yeah.
but
Okay.
it does have a spot to pop into the side of the battery box,
Oh, it
just so it
does?
doesn't hang loose.
It was inside?
Yeah, well, not inside, but there's a spot that
Oh,
it pops into, so it doesn't hang loose in the bike.
Got you, got you.
So other terminal goes right through this channel here, and just Got a liner up. Like that. Was I standing in front of the camera the whole time?
Perfect.
It's
not pinched or nothing. Oh no, it's great, right?
Yeah, there's a channel for it.
Gotcha. What channel is that?
Riders Realm.
Channel 2?
No, Riders Realm.
It's like a finesse channel?
Yeah. Alright, so we're actually going to put blue Loctite on these before we button her back up. These are just the battery box bolts because the Dyna does shake around a lot.
Where's my light? Look how much better it is. Look, lighting. Lighting is everything. There you go. All right. Do you know, guys, let me tell you something. I'm just going to interject really quick between Cam's video. Lighting is everything in a YouTube video. And audio. Right, Cam?
Yes, sir.
So we use Loctite 243. We got Loctite 243 blue. Got another one?
Yeah, we got three.
The other, here, yeah, don't crank it down. Don't
No, I'm just tightening it so that it's not.
You need Loctite on it, huh?
No, that one already did. There's the center one. We need it.
I'm the director. Go ahead.
Director.
Slap that battery in. Oh yeah.
I gotta pull these out.
Yeah, I didn't need help. You helped me. Oh wow.
Ooh, how'd that feel?
Not bad. You got that one out? Okay. Now we put that in. So now you got you guys freaking get it. Positive to positive, red to red, black to black, negative to negative. If you guys don't understand that, then don't watch this friggin'.
And you're in the wrong place, man.
Yeah. Don't even watch this. You guys need to go to beginner school. All right.
All right. She's good. And that's how you put in a starter.
Yeah. It's actually
very easy.
Very easy.
All right, let's let her rip and see how we did. So right away you can hear that the starter is a lot more powerful. You know, it's a lot snappier when it actually cranks over and fires right up. So I guess we did a pretty good job then, huh? And that's it. Putting the starter in is a pretty easy job. You know, it doesn't really require a lot. 2 bolts, just pull off the battery cover. Really not that big of a deal. So if your bike isn't starting and you already tested the battery, you're sure the battery isn't the problem, could be your starter. So if you guys got to do a starter installation, follow the steps in this video. Head over to motorcycledepot.com to pick up a brand new starter just like the one I got, And make sure, if you guys want to pick up some Beyond Riders gear, head over to the store and use code REALM, REALM, for $10 off your order at checkout. I'll see you guys out on the road.